Hola grammar class. Today we have past perfect tense. How to form past perfect tense? Had plus V3 form of the verb. Had plus V3 form of the verb. Had worked. Had left. Had looked. Now we can find out when to use past perfect tense. To denote action which had been completed before another action had begun. For example, when he reached the railway station, when he railway station, the train had left. Please look here. The first action is the train had left. Second action is he reached the railway station. Actually, he was late, so he didn't get the train. In this sentence, we use past perfect tense to denote the first action. When he reached the railway station, the train had left. The hunter had seen the lion before it saw him. Here the first action is the hunter saw the lion. Second action is the lion saw the hunter. So the first action can be denoted by using past perfect tense. The hunter had seen the lion before it saw him. Then another occasion. Past perfect tense is used to express an unfulfilled wish in the past. Example, I wish I had accepted the offer. Actually, I didn't accept the offer. I wish I had accepted the offer. Here, we used past perfect tense to denote the unfulfilled wish. I wish I had accepted the offer. Third occasion. We use past perfect tense with a time phrase in the past or a definite point of time in the past. At 9 o'clock, the bus had left. Another example, at 18 years of age, she had got her degree. Here, the bus had left and had got. Here we used past perfect tense with a time phrase in the past. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is a time phrase and 18 years of age is a time phrase. In her life, it was a past event. In this case, we use past perfect tense. We use past perfect tense with a time phrase in the past or a definite point of time in the past. At 9 o'clock, the bus had left. At 18 years of age, she had got her degree. Now, we can discuss some time words we usually use with the past perfect tense. That is till. One is till. He hadn't done his work till yesterday. Then another is with. Then before, already, etc. These are the main time words we usually use with the past perfect tense. Till, with, before already. He had already arrived here. He had already arrived here. I hadn't seen the Taj Mahal before. He hadn't done his homework till yesterday. These are the time words. Then we can find out when to use past perfect tense once more. To denote action which had been completed before another action had begun. When he reached the railway station, the train had left. Then to express an action that is unfulfilled wish. I wish I had accepted the offer. Then we can use past perfect tense with a time phrase in the past or a definite point of time in the past. At 18 years of age, she had taken her degree. Then we discussed some time words that we usually use with the past.